Hi guys, Saving with Shay. Welcome back to another video. You guys, I'm so sorry the video is late. David went back to Pittsburgh like 2 days ago. And I was really trying to cram as much time in as I could before he left out. And this summer was a really short trip, which kind of sucked because it just went so fast. It's like we were just picking him up at the airport and then freaking already dropping him off. So that's why this video is up on Thursday. And so for my midweek I need 10 rebates for $5. We already did my midweek technically, so all of the deals that I do today will count towards my weekend. All right, it'll also count towards this larger bonus that we got, which the Rodeo Riches bonus, and for that I need, per your usual, 48 rebates. But if you're new here, yes, if you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, I am Shay. Go ahead and subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button, support your girl, because you guys are not liking the videos. If you don't like the videos, then you probably shouldn't be watching. And so definitely make sure you like, you guys. This is like I know I said this before, y'all like free. You like free. If you like free, guess what? It's free to subscribe. It's free to like the video. Support your girls, the least that you could do. I know a lot of you guys are watching, but a lot of you guys do not like the video, and you do not know how important and how much beneficial that is to like the video. All right, what else? I am gonna be doing a lot of CVS. Like, I'm gonna tack in CVS because I wanted to do a second trip for CVS, but it's Thursday already, and I didn't really want to have to do my Walmart video and CVS video in the same day, which would be today. So I'm gonna tack in all the deals that I did yesterday at CVS. Oh gosh, you guys, it's been so hard. It's been so hard trying to go back to doing 2 cards. I am not even gonna lie. It's been hard. So I'm going to share with y'all all the deals that I did as well. What else did I want to add? Other than that, you guys, I think that's basically it. So without further ado, let's head to Walmart. Let's see what kind of awesome deals we can grab. All right, guys. So first up is the Herdez avocado hot sauce. This is priced at $2.48. We're gonna grab one of them. Ibotta's giving us back $1.50, making this only 98 cents. Next up is the mac and cheese. I've been grabbing the value size box because I feel like it's a better deal than grabbing the smaller ones. So I'm gonna grab another one of these, priced at $2.08. You're gonna get back $8.45 on Ibotta, making that only 63 cents. And this is probably my last reset of the Fruit Loops. They're priced at $1.34. Ibotta's giving back $1, making that 34 cents with a limit of 5. Next deal is on the Starbucks double shots. They are priced at $3.28. This one was double attaching earlier this week. They have since fixed it, so it's only working for one of them. So if you grab this one here, you're gonna get back $2 on Ibotta. Make sure you scan them because some of them it works for the $1 rebate, and then some of them it works for the $2 rebate. This one right here, one of you guys was saying, it is super sweet. It is. Like, I totally added more water to it. On top of that, I added ice, and it was still relatively sweet. But I really liked it because y'all know your girl is a coffee head, and so. But I'm gonna pass on this one because I still have like 4 more left. This next deal is on the Pillsbury biscuits. It's on the 5-count ones. They're priced at $1.76. We're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of these. We'll end up paying $3.52 out of pocket, but we'll get back $1 for buying 2 on Ibotta. There's also $1 on ShopMeme as well as Alexa, bringing this down to only 26 cents each. All right, so the next like 4 deals are freebies on Ibotta. It looks like my store only carries 3 out of the 4. They don't carry the Chobani drink, the 0 sugar one. They're priced at $1.78, and Ibotta's gonna give you back $1.78, making that one absolutely free. There's also one on the Complete as well, which is $2.47. That one will also be free. And then the sugar-free yogurt, which is $1.46 though, getting back $1.25 on Ibotta. It'll have a little cost for you, but still not bad. So have a lot of the yogurts on clearance too over here as well. So I wish we had a rebate for this one. We usually have one for these. My store doesn't carry the, what are those other bars that we used to get a lot of? They were in this little section. Let me see. It was the, I wonder if we have a rebate for this one. I feel like we do. Let me check really quick. And then this one, right? Oh, the core bars. That's what it was. We used to get rebates on core bars all the time. Looks like we do have a rebate for this for 75 cents. So I think it makes it like 68 cents. It's on clearance for 157. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and grab one of these as well. Some of these prices for yogurt are really, really cheap. Like I found this one right here. It's a 4-pack for 99 cents. Normally $4, and we do have a rebate on Ibotta for that for 50 cents. So it'd make it like 49 cents for a 4-pack. So 50 cents for a 4-pack, which is definitely not bad. Limit of this is 5. I'm kind of low-key tempted to get like a couple of them. And so, yeah, that's not a bad deal. This one right here, they have one here. It's the coconut flavor. $1 back on Ibotta, limit of 5. The regular ones are 176, so it would make it 76 cents, which is still not necessarily bad. The Too Good yogurt, the blueberry one's on clearance for 38 cents. And then there's 60 cents back on Ibotta with a limit of 5. So it would make it a 22-cent moneymaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab 5 of these. Sara Lee honey ham. I've been getting this on repeat, you guys, only because it's a pretty good deal. Like I go to the deli and ask them for 2 slices. I had her do 2 slices, but then I said thin, and so it came to 140. And then you're gonna get back 125 on Ibotta. So it makes it like, what, 15 cents, which is not bad, because this will probably make a couple sandwiches. And so, yeah. All right, so my next deal is gonna be on the Knoppers. They are priced at $3.66. Now for this, we're gonna go ahead and grab 2 of them onto paying $7.32 out of pocket. We're gonna get back $8 for each on Ibotta. There's also $3 on Swagbucks for buying 2. And then last but not least, we got 430 kicks on Shopkick, which is $172. So it makes them 30 cents each, which is definitely not bad. All right, and of course I'm grabbing the Raid Fly Ribbon again. It's priced at $2.24. And then Ibotta's gonna give you back $2, making that 24 cents. Of course, you can always grab the Raid Fly Stick as well. It's priced at $2.97, so that would be 97 cents after Ibotta. Now, a $2 rebate did pop up on Shop Me and Alexa for $2 for Raid as well on these ant baits, which would totally come in handy right now, considering ants are like flipping crazy right now at the house. And it's so hard because I feel like everybody leaves something out, and ants don't need a lot to work with. But I've already maxed out the Raid rebate on Ibotta, so I'm gonna probably pass on this deal. Actually, if I do it, it would only be for Shop Me and Alexa, which is $2 back, which would make it 43 cents on that. What else? We also have a rebate on the Off while I'm over here. It's on the Off Active. It's priced at $6.34. And for that, you're gonna get back $3 on Ibotta, and you'll also get back $3 on Shop Me or Alexa. It'll make that anywhere between 34 cents to a moneymaker. Right, guys, and so I'm just gonna make this little section, this little part quick, because all this is in the trial section, and this area always gets really crowded. So the first thing I'm doing again is the Clorox. I ran that across the board yesterday. I only didn't do it on Tada because it wasn't there, and then when I got home it popped up. So they are priced at $1.12. You want to grab a total of 4 of them. You'll pay $4.48 and get back $7 on Swagbucks, My Points inbox dollars. Now on my Tada it's only $2.50. But on the other apps is a $2.52 moneymaker. And then the Aussie I got from Couponing with Tisa. It's priced at $1.12. You're gonna grab 2, you'll pay $2.24 and get back $2 on Ibotta. Makes them 12 cents each. Next up is the Old Spice. It is priced at $2.12. We're grabbing 3 of them. We'll pay $6.36, getting back 5 on Ibotta, making that 45 cents each. The Dude Wipes again at $2.12, getting back $8 on Ibotta, making that $1.12. And then last but not least is the Pantene. These are priced at $1.54. You'll pay $3.08 and get back to making those 54 cents. Next up is the Colgate Plaque Pro Release. It is priced at $8.36. You want to grab a 1. You'll be getting back $3 on Ibotta, $3 on Shop Me as well as Alexa, making that a 64 cent moneymaker. So next up is going to be on the Colgate Optic White. It's on the renewal. It's priced at $7.32. We're going to go ahead and grab 1. There is $5 back on Tada. I also have a rebate on, let me see, on Shop Me as well. It's $3. Yeah, for $3. So you'll actually be saving a total of $8 on this product. So it'll make it a 68 cent moneymaker. So I'm gonna go ahead and just grab 1. We did have a read on Ibotta. If you still have Ibotta, then it'll be a bigger moneymaker for you. And so yeah. Next up is gonna be the Dove Body Love Lotion. It's priced at $6.48. For this, I'm gonna go ahead and grab one of them. I'll be using this $4 coupon right here for my inserts. You end up paying $2.48 out of pocket, but you'll get back 575 kicks on Shopkick, which is equivalent to $2.30, making it only 18 cents, which is definitely not bad. All right, the last thing I'm gonna grab is on the Penetrex. I got this deal from Joy of Couponing, and so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. It's gotta be like a quadruple rebate on it. So it's priced at $20.13 here at my store. I'm gonna be grabbing one of them. I'll be getting back 5 on Ibotta, 5 on Tada, 5 on Alexa, 5 on Shopmium, and then 5,500 points on Fetch Reward are $5.50. I'm making this a $5.37 moneymaker. So let's cross our fingers and hope that everything works out, because I'm not trying to pay for this. Seriously. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Everything worked out really good between Walmart and CVS. As far as Walmart, I only had one coupon that was for the Dove, and I did do that 3 times today. I think with Shopkick, it's like sometimes it's like cool when you can actually do the deal multiple times in one day, which sometimes it won't allow that, but other times it does. And lately it's been allowing that, which is awesome. So I use a 4 off of 1 coupon, scanned perfectly fine, and I did that 3 times today. I did the candy twice today. And I did it once yesterday. I probably did it 3 times today too, to be honest. I'm not sure. I don't remember. So there was that. I did do the Coke. Yes, I did. Didn't mention it in the video because I know y'all tired of seeing it. All right. I did it twice because I already have a cabinet full of soda. And so I only did it twice. And then what else? Yeah. We ran the Clorox across the board, which is awesome. Again, my Tada account, I'm only getting back $2.50 for every 2 versus $3.50 for every 2 on Swagbucks, My Points, and Inbox. But I'll take it. It's a moneymaker. As far as CVS, you guys, this L'Oreal Elvive and freaking Tresemme deal were so awesome. On 2 of my situations, I had 3 off of 15 CRTs. And so I stacked that with, for the L'Oreal, I had the 5 off of 3 printable, 5 off 3 digital. I also had a 3 off of 2 on both my, all 3 as well, which was even better. And then Tresemme, I ordered some 3 off of 2 printables for my Ip Fairy, stacked that with a 5 off of 3 digital, as well as a 3 off of 15 CRT as well. So that was practically free. And with the Crest, because this one is working on the $2 rebate on Ibotta, so I did it. They only had one store, they only had 2, and they had 1 toothbrush. I got 2 of those, 1 toothbrush, and I got back $4 on Ibotta. The other situation, different store, I had a 6 off 25 CRT, so I grabbed 6 of the toothpaste and 1 toothbrush, and I used a 6 off 25 CRT. I had the what else? I had the 5 off of 3 digital, and then I had 2 off of 1 digitals that came off as well. So I think for that I paid like 12-ish, got back 10 in extra care bucks, and then I submitted my receipt for that one this afternoon since it reset for me. So that made that like a $7-8 moneymaker, which is awesome. One of you guys was asking about the Cetaphil, if it was working at CVS. For me, it was a no-go. All right, I tried this one first. I don't know why I tried this one. This one doesn't normally work for me. This one normally works, but it did not work for me. And I used $4 printables I got from my Ip Fairy. I think these were $4.29, so those only cost me 29 cents after the coupon, which is not bad. Those are 59 cents after the coupon. So yeah, I just wanted to try it out and see if it was going to work. I only did CoverGirl once more. I did get my inserts today, though, so I may finish off that. Why not? I did the Maybelline with the makeup remover on one, and then did it with the double pack of the pencils on the other one. So those ended up being nice money makers as well, with the double CRTs, one from last week, one from this week, and then printables. Other than that, you guys, everything was smooth, easy selling. All right, so you don't see everything, and I may not include everything I recorded today, but this is only for our midweek. So I kind of want to just focus on that, and then when I do my weekend, I'll share with you guys the rest of the stuff as a whole. So everything you see here retails $319. I had $146 in coupons, CRTs, and digital, so brought the out of pocket down to $173. All right, I walk away with $57.45 from Ibotta, $19.30 from Shopkick, $14 from Swagbucks, $14.96 from MyPoint, $7 from Inbox Dollars, $5 from Tada, and I got back a total of $81 in extra care bucks. So we walk away with a total of $193.71, making everything you see here free plus a $20.71 moneymaker, which is awesome. Now our tax. Y'all know if we're doing CVS, we're gonna have a lot. We're gonna have high tax. So my tax for this combined was $19.43, and I want to say only like $5 from that. Less than $5 was at Walmart. So yeah, that's CVS for you. Other than that, you guys, I can't think of anything else to add. I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day, night, whatever watching, wherever you're watching from, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.